Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a neat trick to make your spreadsheets look more polished and professional. We'll be setting up automatic borders that appear as you type data into your cells. This is perfect for organizing lists, tables, and any kind of structured data entry. Let's dive in step by step. Prepare your data. Start by entering the titles for your data columns, such as first name, last name, etc. Click and drag to highlight the cells containing your titles. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, look for the option labeled Use a Formula to determine which cells to format and select it. You will see a field labeled Format Values where this formula is true. In this field, type the following formula. Note: replace A1 with the reference to the first cell of your data range. For example, if your data starts from cell C1, click on the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Navigate to the Border tab. In the Border tab, under the Preset section, click on Outline. After selecting Outline, click OK to close the Format Cells dialog box. You'll be brought back to the New Formatting Rule dialog box. Click OK to apply the rule. Now, start typing in the cells under your titles and move down to the next cell. You will notice that borders are automatically applied to each cell as you enter data. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to keep your spreadsheet looking clean and organized. This method ensures that your data is well structured and visually appealing without any extra effort as you enter information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.